Let's take a closer look at this water drop reverse osmosis system. It is the model X12, and it is part of their new family of RO systems, which are tankless. You can see here that this unit is mounted underneath my sink. It comes with all the necessary equipment. Just about anyone could hook this up, but we're going to just talk about it. You have to really have a source of water. So that would be your water coming in, and then you would have a drain that you would attach to your existing drain system. And then you would have your clean water, which would go to the countertop, which we'll talk about in a second. And then you have to have your power. But a little bit further here, you see this unit is all self-contained. And once again, the key thing is this is a tankless design. So it has a pump in it. So you have instant RO water at your fingertips. And you can see here that this cover covers the 3 key filters that are included. And then you'll see that the filters are just a quarter turn filters that go in. You can buy separately. The original unit that you install comes with the main filters. So the largest is your RO filter, but just to give you an idea, this lasts 2 years, 1 year, and then 6 months. And then it will tell you here on these indicators when it is running, when they're ready to be changed. They will be blue when everything is active and okay, and they will change colors when it's time to change a filter. And this is all very clear in the instructions. But once again, this is very straightforward to hook up. And as I mentioned before, you have your source of water. Then you have to have your drain attached to your outlet, and then your clean water going up to your faucet. And then once again, you have to have a power source. Let's take a closer look at the brushed nickel countertop device faucet that you have that comes with this X12 RO system. It's a very unique design here that has rotation for 90 degrees anywhere on your counter. You have to have a hole through your countertop. I used my soap dispenser hole that was already drilled through my countertop to bring my clean water source up. You can preset the amount of RO water that comes out of the faucet by turning the dial here, and then you just press the button here, and then the water will shut off after it's dispensed. And then the top of here shows the different features. Here you have your UV, which is another added feature, and you have your different filters that are here, and you can see that they're all a bluish purple, which means that they are okay, and they will change colors when that filter needs to be replaced. And I think that everyone would enjoy this one. It is a wonderful unit. Now the best feature on this is that this new modern device in the X series not only cleans the water in the RO fashion, but it also adds minerals back in. And that is a major feature to this latest design, and I highly recommend it.